I'm pretty sure if you've never seen the inside of a cow, this is how the inside of a cow looks like from beyond. Everything is rotten because the cow died yesterday. It died on its own. We're suffering sick for several weeks. And this is what is left of it. So we're looking at it. Everything looks just very much crazy, typical. And he's just cutting it up. So yep, other cows are just sitting over there. And my mailman, the minister of independence, is just independently standing up there not assisting. Watch what and what is why. And my boy Prissy is watching. Can you feel that sound? Might just take us with that thing. We don't want that. So yep, folks, this is what is happening. That is the thing, the tang. So I got it. Even the liver is rotten. He's saying that it's really rotten. Green, that's the rotten side of it.
The liver is green.
The liver is green. Oh.
Can you please take it out? Take it out, please.
Yes.
Yeah, take it out so that we can shoot and
So it's a disease.
Tati camera nese isimdala. Tati camera.
What? No, you're shooting at me.
Ithi tati camera space nje mfuthe isimdala. Camera. Nje isimdala.
Camera nje shoot video yami lapha.
Mfuthe umntu esibigula nje yabona.
Ngisho wabona isibindi sangikhona simnyama sibolile.
He's saying that the liver is dark black gray. It's really rotten. It's really decayed. Was sick. This was a disease, illness, sickness of some sort of kind that affected the bull, the ballock, the female ballock, or the cow. So, yep, that is that. Everybody's here. Who's so and so from this crow, and we get them cows there, but they're eating and no one is mourning. Not any crying bull amongst the beasts. Yes, baby. And
just to show him. Put it out. Up. Phezulu ndingathathi.
Akuyenza umkhuhlane lokho ukuthisena uyidoti lokho.
Nje phezulu.
Kanti uDedu yabuya nini? Ngabuya ngemande ke.
Thibingam.
All right. That's that, baby. So, yep. Now they're preparing to ban it. Might take some time to ban the cow, but we're gonna do that. So, with love and kindness. See you then. And we're gonna show you some more footage when they ban the cow.